already what I didn't do right, because I took displacement. I took 2 pr, like one displacement, but you need to just take 2r, right? Displacement.
No, what is the
How do you
minimum
do this?
velocity with which a body of mass m must enter a vertical loop, correct now,
Yes.
of radius r? It can complete the loop. See, first things, loop means what? This one.
Yes. Yes.
Suppose this one, it is velocity is given, means if minimum velocity, what it is given, what is the minimum velocity with which a body of mass m center enter a vertical loop of radius r,
Mm-hmm.
so that it can complete the loop. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
What
So
is,
display, but how do you take like velocity, right? It's they're asking minimum velocity. Okay, I don't know how to do this actually.
see,
Mg.
what is the centripetal force here?
A centripetal force, mg. I don't
M,
even. I don't know.
yes.
Who? I wanted to ask like who is putting the centripetal force?
See,
Like
the
who is?
minimum velocity with a body which a body mass m enters a vertical loop from here, ground or this one. I think it must be at the ground only, r, so that it can complete vertical loops. Okay, complete loop.
Um, it's going to be different minimum velocity if it starts from the top and on the bottom.
No, 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 no. Top, no. Top we cannot see. Basically, what happened here? This one is there, vertical loops. Correct, na?
Mm-hmm,
So
mm-hmm,
it will be start like this one. Correct, na? So this
mm-hmm,
velocity is here. Suppose it is
mm-hmm,
v.
mm-hmm,
So
mm-hmm.
here, what is the velocity here? Please tell me. It is this velocity at the bottom. What its
Mm-hmm.
velocity should not be fall down here. Why? Because this mg must be equal to, please tell me, mg must be
Must be
equal to
equal to centripetal force.
mb square
V
by
square divided
r.
on R.
Correct, na? So
Yes.
minimum velocity is required at here, at this point, not at this point. So this is the velocity at this point. Correct, na? mb square by r.
Okay.
Now what is the velocity at here? So here what we have to do, the conservation of energy means whatever the energy we will give, half mv square. Suppose v1 here, where?
Mm-hmm. On the bottom.
Bottom. So this, it is some of the energy will be goes from the top. So potential energy it will acquire. What energy acquired? Potential energy.
So kinetic energy is gonna be transformed into potential.
Potential, not all, because here velocity is also required. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
You have understood or not?
No, no, not really.
Not really, no problem, because I have just teaching this next topic in this one, conservation of energy. Okay, just let me see. Half mb dash square is must be equals to mg into 2r, mg into
2R.
2r, because it is rise 3r, and plus 1 mg, plus 1 mg for what? This one. So half mv1 square is equal to uh,
M you can remove M.
no, 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 mg H. Here, oh sorry, mistake I did. See, this is the potential energy at here, and plus half mv square means kinetic energy is here.
So the 1.5 mv square is
V is the
kinetic energy
velocity on the top.
on the
Kinetic
top.
on the kinetic energy on the top here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but mb square is equal to how much here? You see, look here from this formula.
Mm-hmm.
Mg into r is equal to mv square. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
So I
Mm-hmm.
will put here, and what I will put here, 2 mgr plus half mb square. In place of mb square I will put mgr
Mm-hmm.
from this equation.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so it
Mm-hmm.
will be equals to 3 by 2 mgr is equal to half mv1 square. I want v1,
Mm-hmm.
I don't want get cancel. 2 get cancel. So v1 is equal
Yes.
to root 3 gr. You see the answer, it is there. I will explain you.
Yes, yes, this correct answer.
Okay.
Oh, wait. Let me actually check. Which one is this? 4? 4. 4. Answer is supposed to be C. Which one we have?
Oh, sorry.
Supposed to be
No. Here
supposed to
wrong
be
mistake.
5.
Two. No. See, two. He just adding mistake here. Oh, see here.
4
Two.
plus 1. Yes, it's going to be 5. 5.
Sorry. Here.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, I remember something like this, but I don't remember 100% this
Okay.
how this happened.
Now this topics is the next topics what I am going to discuss. It is the same, only same topics. Now, okay, you have asked this question. We will just start the theory of these questions only related this one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So first things. Now, any doubt is any questions is there? Any further question is there, or shall I start the topics? New topics. Hello. 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 Can you hear me?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, but you can hear
I
me.
can, yes.
Okay, I am asking
Yes,
you,
yes, I can.
any further question is there, or shall I start the new topic?
Yeah, I wanted to do one more question.
One more questions. Okay, then you ask the one more
Yes.
question. Or shall I
One
explain this
second.
one because you have not understood maybe this one, this question.
No, that's fine. Like I will understand if you when we talk about second topic. When we talk about the new topic.
Okay.
20. Okay, it's very hard to see. A car wheel is rotated to uniform angular acceleration about its axis. Initially, its angular velocity is 0.
You write
It
it.
rotates.
Omega I is 0.
Mhm.
Hmm. Then read it.
Then velocity 0. It rotates through an angle theta 1 in the first 2 seconds.
First 2 seconds, correct na? In rotate through an angle theta 1. Means theta displacement is theta 1 and time is 2 seconds.
Hmm. And then in the next 2 seconds, it rotates through the additional angle theta 2.
Yeah. So in the next case, what is this one? Next case, what will be there? Omega I
Omega I is
time is equal to 4 second, correct na? 2 second plus 2 second, and theta is equal to theta 1 plus
uh,
theta 2.
theta. Why is it theta 1 plus theta 2?
It is telling you, just read it. You read it.
But in the next 2 seconds, it rotates an
Next 2
additional
seconds
angle.
we cannot take separate now, because we have to take start from 0. Am I right? So either we will, case 1 we will stop up to the 2 seconds. Then 0 to 4 seconds. Am I right or not?
Okay, I understand. Okay. Yes.
So 4 second means this theta 1 plus theta 2. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So let us say alpha is not given here, correct na? Angular acceleration is not given. Alpha is,
But
and
acceleration is the same in both
both
cases.
cases I have written here, alpha.
Yes.
Okay, we will
So
calculate.
we need to find theta 2 to theta 1.
Plus first we will find the equation for theta 1. Please tell me what equation should I use?
Equation omega final square.
Omega final is omega I is 0. So theta is equal to omega I times t plus half alpha t square. Am I right?
Uh-huh.
So theta 1 is equal to 0 plus half alpha
On T1
4 square.
or
Correct na?
yes.
2 alpha. Theta 1 is
And theta 2 is equal to
theta 2. Where theta 2 is there?
0 plus
Theta 1 plus
1.5
theta 2. Please take it.
16.
Hello.
Yes.
Theta 1 plus theta 2, not theta 2 only. Correct na?
Okay. So it's going to be equal to 0 plus 1.5 alpha on 16.
Yes.
Okay. So then theta 2 is equal to 8 alpha minus 2 alpha is equal to 6
See,
alpha.
there are two equation we got it. What equation we got it? One theta 1 is equal to 2 alpha and theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to
8 alpha. So why
8.
you cannot?
We don't want alpha. Correct na? Because
No. I'm saying theta 2.
Yes, theta 2 means
Theta 2 is 6 alpha.
why?
Because 8 alpha minus 2 alpha.
Okay, theta 2 is 6 alpha. Okay, I agreed with you. Theta 1 is equal, theta 2 is equal to 6 alpha. Correct na? They are asking, asking theta 2 over theta 1. So theta 2 divided by theta 1 is equal to 6 alpha by 2 alpha. Alpha cancel 2, 3. You are completed this one.
Yes.
You only did it. See here only, what is the trick was there? Please tell me.
The trick was that in the theta 1 plus theta 2.
Yes, theta 1 you cannot take separately. If you take separately, the answer will not come.
Okay, I understand. Okay, let me see 1 second if this question 27. Okay, let's do just this one more question 27.
No problem. You take your time. Whatever you say, I will follow you.
So a pendulum bob on a 2-meter string is displaced 60 degrees from the vertical and then released. So it's like this from vertical, right?
Yes, it is a pendulum. You should make some circle
Okay.
here.
Yes, yes, circle.
Hmm.
And then this is 60 degree.
Okay, this is 60 degree. Then
So what is the speed of the bob as it passes through the lowest point of its path? So lowest point is going to be here in the middle
yeah,
as it passes through here. So need to find velocity on this point.
Hmm.
And I was like, I don't understand. There's kind of solution in the book, but the way they don't explain anything there. I don't know if you like.
Can you upload the solution?
Yeah, I
Let me
can.
just 2 meter pendulum bobs, 2 meter string is displaced 2 meter displaced 60 degree from the vertical and then released. What is the speed of the bob when it passed through the lowest point of its path? Okay,
Do you
see,
know? Do you have idea how to do this?
basically this is the conservation of energy
Also.
this way.
Uh-huh.
Conservation of energy.
Okay, so it's connected also to the next topic.
Huh? Sorry?
I'm saying it's connected to the next topic.
Yeah, connected to the conservation of energy.
Okay,
Okay.
so I guess
See,
let's just start the next topic because all these questions they're connected to that.
okay. Okay, so first things you tell me, today we are going to start very new topics. What is the subject of the topics? Work, energy, and
Power.
power. You correct your video, please. It is a very interesting thing. I'm going to explain.
Okay. Okay, one
Yeah,
second.
very interesting things I'm going to teach you today.
Okay.
Okay, first that is the work. What is the work? Please tell me.
Work
Work
is going to
when
be
you are up,
energy
when
on displacement.
work is nothing but force time displacement. Force
Force. Mm-hmm.
time displacement.
Mm-hmm.
Displacement should be taken in the direction of the force. Suppose a block you are applying a force here in this way. So that
Mm-hmm.
block is come to here. How much
Mm-hmm.
you have work done? This one is the distance, force into,
Mm-hmm. Displacement.
correct?
Mm-hmm.
In
Mm-hmm.
vector form, in vector form,
Mm-hmm.
suppose
Mm-hmm.
force is not in the direction of displacement. Suppose you are applying one force here, like
Mm-hmm.
this one. Which way? Inclined.
Mm-hmm.
And object is moving on the horizontal surface here. What you will do
Mm-hmm.
then this case?
Um, I will do.
Either you
I
take
need to
the
do
component.
projectile.
No.
Projectile. Okay.
You have to take the component of the force in this
Yes,
direction.
yes. Sorry. Component. Yes.
Yeah. So it will be, component will be how much? F cos
F
theta
cos theta.
into D. Correct na?
Yes.
Into
D.
D. Now anything multiplied F D cos theta. Am I right or not? If I arrange it, multiply it, work
Yes.
is it clear?
Mm-hmm.
So now please tell me F D cos theta. You remember that what dot product vector. When I taught
Yes.
you, you have
Yes.
to force
Yes.
modulus.
Yes.
So can I write
Yes.
W is equal to F dot D? If it is not in the same direction, we just simply multiplied dot product, a scalar product, correct?
Yes. So when cos is 0.
Cos is 0 is equal to 1 f time d. If this angle is 0, it is become
So
0.
when basically when it's in one direction, the force
Yeah,
is
yeah,
applied when the force is applied in the direction of displacement.
yeah. Then it is just multiply f into d. Correct or not? Okay, please tell me how many times types of energy you are remembering. Please tell me. Can you give me some example of energy?
Kinetic energy, potential energy,
Hmm.
um, electric energy or something.
Yes, kinetic energy, potential energy, electrical energy, wind energy, chemical energy, light energy, sound energy. So many types of energy is there. Correct na? So energy, what is the energy? Please tell me what is the energy. If I tell you what is the energy, if I am taking
It's
this cup of tea, why I am taking this cup of tea?
so your body can function.
Body can function means
So
tea is having some energy.
yes.
Correct or not?
So it gives you to your body energy. Yes.
Yes. I feel some energetic. Correct or not? When you are eating the
Yes.
food, why you are eating the
Yes.
food?
Because you get energy from it.
From it. Then food. It means in, and one thing you please understand, energy neither can be created nor can be destroyed. Please understand what I say. Energy cannot be created, not can be this.
Destroyed.
Then what happened? What about your food? Food, you are creating the energy? No, there is a food inbuilt energy is there inside the food. When you are using it, it is converted one form to another form. Please understand.
Yes, I understand this.
So
My God, this
energy,
video is so bad. Sorry.
no problem. No problem. Just okay. I think your net is slow, or I don't know what is the this one. Sometimes internet is slow, your, or it is good
No,
as well.
internet is not slow. The problem is something with the camera. Something wrong with this computer, I think. I'll
Okay.
try to fix it. I'll try to see what
Yeah.
I can do.
Okay. Shall I start now? Because your video is stopped. That is the reason I stopped. Okay. Okay, so I am trying to tell you energy is converted one form to another. Correct na? In physics, also we will do the same things. One place potential energy will be there, another place kinetic energy will be there. Correct? Now suppose in my hand it is there. If I raise height, the potential energy is increasing. Potential energy PE is equal to mgh. What is the
So,
m?
uh-huh.
M is the mass of this object, correct? G is the acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height from the ground. Is it clear? If I taken up means,
Yes.
then what happened? Its potential cup
Uh,
energy is increased. Am I right? Then who has given the
okay.
increase in energy?
Kinetic energy?
No. If I raise the
Uh,
cup from
uh,
here to here, I gone.
uh,
Who has given this energy? See, so okay, I will give one more example. See, mgh. If suppose my mass of the cup is 1 kg, g is 10 meter per second square. Okay, initially it was at a height of 0. Now I have taken up to 1 meter. M is equal to 1 kg, g is equal to 10, and h is equal to 1 meter. So how much energy I got it? Please tell me. This cup, not me. This cup, how much energy is got it?
1,
1 into
it got
10 into 1.
1,
10 joules.
mm-hmm,
Who has given this 10
10
joules?
joule.
Who has given this 10 joule?
Height? I don't
No,
know.
no, I have raised, na. So I have given the cup.
Okay, so you gave?
I gave. Correct, na? It
Yes,
means,
yes, yes, yes.
it means whatever the energy I had, I lost 10 joule of energy. Am I right or not? Because the conservation of energy says there is no loss or production of energy, only just transfer. Correct or not?
Okay, yes, yes.
Suppose this cup I leave from the here to here.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose this example, this is the at the height I will leave this cup. What happened? Please tell me. It will fall down to the ground.
1 second. Um, you leave. Yes, yes. It's gonna fall down.
It will be going to be fall down.
Mm-hmm.
Then during the fall down, what it is gaining?
It's gaining acceleration.
It's gaining kinetic energy here, its velocity. Now acceleration we will forget about for time being.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so here it is
Mm-hmm.
m mass is equal to how much I have told you? 1, g is equal to
Mm-hmm.
10, h is equal to 1 meter. Correct na? I have started this, well, it is I have leaved it, just it. So what happened here? What it will get? It gets some velocity or not? V.
Mm-hmm.
It means whatever the potential energy here was there, same is converted into what?
Into kinetic
Very
energy
good.
at the
Kinetic
bottom.
energy at the bottom. How much kinetic energy? Half. Correct? And this must be equal to the potential energy what it is at the height. Correct or not?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So what is the m got cancelled? So V is equal
Mm-hmm.
to root 2 GH. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Now you see the kinematics formula. Here velocity is 0. U is 0. V you want. H is the height. Which formula you will apply?
Mm-hmm.
U is given, B is given, H is given, and A is equal to G. Please tell me. So you will you
H is equal to
no,
VI
then
square
T is required.
VI.
T is H is equal to U. If you use U, if H is equal to UT plus half it square, then T is required. T is not given here. Which one formula? Other formula you think?
Okay. So then it's going to be V square is equal to U square plus 2
D.
AD. Sorry,
V
D.
is how much we want. U is 0 because initially 0.
Mm-hmm. It's going to be 2 on G on H and root square.
V is equal to
The same.
same. Is it clear?
Yes.
Means what? We physics, it is not possible that only one way we can solve it. Many ways are there. We can apply the conservation of energy and get the velocity. Correct or not? So first things you should understand energy. What is the energy? Please tell me. Now I have defined very many things I talked to. Energy is capacity of doing work. Capacity of
Doing work.
doing work. If you don't have energy, you can't do any work.
Mm-hmm.
Correct or not?
Yes, yes, yes.
Then if it is energy capacity is there,
Mm-hmm.
then reverse way also we can say, then some work we will do, energy will produce. Can we do this? Can we say like this?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Can you give me some example when we do the some work, energy is produced?
When, for example,
Any
um,
example, just give me.
you make food, so then you produce like
Food
no,
is one form
that's
or
not
the
a good
another.
example.
Okay.
For
No, no, in
electricity, for
physics, now,
example.
now we will come to the physics. Okay. See, suppose you a box is there, correct now?
Mm-hmm.
You pushed the box here from this point to this one by applying a force.
Mm-hmm.
You have did some work. Suppose you have started applying the force here to here. So how much force you, how much work you have did? Force is continuous and d is the displacement. Am I right or not?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Please tell me after this point B. After B, if you remove the force, what happen? The object will be stop here or it will be continue moving?
If you remove the force,
Yes.
it's gonna move maybe a little bit more. It depends
It depends
if
on the
there
frictional
is
force.
like
If suppose
any
if frictional force is not there,
friction. Yeah,
if frictional force is not there, you
yeah.
are pushing on the ice. What happen? It will be gain
Then
kinetic energy here in science language. Once you apply the force
mhm,
and push up to here, continuous force up to here, not only here. Correct na?
mhm,
It will be
mhm,
gain kinetic energy. Is it clear?
mhm, mhm,
How much kinetic energy will gain? Half mv square. Correct?
mhm,
After that, this box will be continue
mhm.
moving. Then where this kinetic energy ultimately goes, it will be stop somewhere. You told me somewhere stop here. Where this kinetic energy has gone?
Mhm. It's
It's got some energy na at
um,
point B.
mm,
What happened? I don't know.
that energy went on displacement.
Energy went on displacement. Displacement is different and energy is different.
If Fr is working opposite to the
Opposite
movement.
to the movement. What is our work done for theory says? Force into displacement is the work done.
Yes.
So here Fr is working right, Fr is working left and displacement is right. Am I right? It is doing the negative work.
Mm-hmm.
It is doing the
Mm-hmm.
negative work. Why?
Negative work.
And it's consuming all your kinetic energy. Correct now?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
So one thing it is, please keep in your mind, work, energy, both is having same unit. Same unit means
Mm-hmm. Work and energy joule.
joules.
Mm-hmm.
What is the joule means? I told force into displacement. What is the force?
Yes.
Newton
Newton.
meter. You can say Newton meter is equal to joules. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Or another unit, energy is equal to half mv square. M is kg, v is
Mm-hmm.
meter square second square. This is another
Uh-huh.
unit, kg meter square second square minus 2. Is it clear?
Mm-hmm. Also, it can be ca calories, right?
Yes,
Kilo.
calories. Very good.
Mm-hmm.
You are drinking what you call soft drink. They are
Mm-hmm.
always written calorie, 400 calories. Correct or not? Or 1000
Mm-hmm.
calorie. In drink packet, you just see any soft drink packets or any drink packet, na, it will be written like fruities or what is the called fruit juice is coming, na, packet juice. There they are writing 1000 calorie. So please tell me 1000 calorie means how much energy is you are having in this packet? 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules. So into this much energy they are having 42,000 joules. See, one small packet it is having 42,000 joules. Is it clear? After you understood this one?
Yes, yes, yes.
So one, suppose sometimes in the packet also, food packets also they are writing some calories. Am I right or not? Some sugar means okay, anywhere it is given, correct? Then where this calorie will goes here? If you take more calories, what happen?
You gain weight
Why? What is the gain? Means what? There, where is energy is going?
because you start to conserve it into your body
In what form?
in fat.
Fat. You are right. Correct na? If you take more and more energy but you don't do physical exercise, what happen? The energy is accumulated in your body and it will be converted into the fat. Now these days people are very conscious about the energy. Am I right or not?
Yeah.
Good. No, I am telling truly. People are more this one so much. Okay. So what is I'm trying to tell you, in physics we will restrict our knowledge up to the kinetic energy, potential energy, correct na? Then rotational means, suppose if it is a rotational energy, suppose it is rotating, it is, then it is also having the rotation energy, na? Suppose kinetic energy means you have moving in the straight line. Suppose this object is moving in a just like a circle. What I have shown you, I have lost my where I have kept. You understood? We are revolving. It's having energy or not? It is called as
Yes, yes.
rotational kinetic energy. What you called?
Rotational kinetic
Yeah,
energy.
rotational kinetic energy. Okay. So okay. Now I will ask you very simple questions. You have to give me answer. Suppose this mass is there, correct now? If it is goes up by this height, how much energy will we gain here?
It's gonna gain mgh,
Mgs, correct?
potential energy.
If this mass is going this path, no matter what path it is going, correct? But at this height it is having this much energy. Am I right or not? Agreed or not?
Yes, yes.
So it means, suppose your path is this one. Suppose we will go some this one. What you call? Have you gone sometimes use this one? What you called? Uh, some rider. Have you used any time of rider, water rider?
Rider? No. I
Rider
don't know
here
what it
means
is.
that you are sleeping on the this one and just suppose this is the you are sleep, you sit here, you
Okay.
sleep here and then they will flow the this one and you will goes speed and this will go some height here. Am I right or not?
Okay, okay.
Have you okay, you may be used or not, I don't know. So please tell me what it is having here and here. You will get same height. Suppose you are sleeping here, your rider is start from here, you are sit down, then sleeping. What happen? You will come the lower height or it will be same height you will come?
I mean lower height.
Why? because you are having some energy here, mgh, correct na? Here, this point. What will be the energy here at the bottom point?
V squared divided on 2.
Yes, you are having kinetic energy here. And at this point, is
At this point, you're gonna have both.
this point is having both. No, this is the peak point, means you cannot go up this one.
Ah, you can go. Okay, so then it has mg but h2
What? H2.
or h1.
Why it is less here? H2 you cannot go same height because some of energy you have lost. Where? In friction between the surface and this rider. Is it clear?
Okay.
Okay. So what my intention is, what I am telling you, if this is suppose frictionless, this is frictionless.
Frictionless.
So if I give one velocity here v, I want to keep this ball here. What is the velocity I will give here? Please tell me.
You will give velocity
Here in such a way that kinetic energy at this point must be equal to the potential energy of this point. Am I right or not?
Okay, so it can get there. Okay.
That is the only na.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear or not?
Yes, yes.
Now comes to these questions. Which question?
Yes, I remember. Where is it? It's further, I think. It was like something like half circle it traveled or something. No, I don't remember.
In your notebook you have written na, something, just you see.
Yes, yes, I wrote. Yes, it's number 4. It was question number 4. So it was h. It was equal to r.
Can you upload it number 4 if you don't mind?
Number 4 question again. Okay, 1 second.
Okay, let us do these questions. Let us do this question is also very important questions. Okay.
Which one?
This one, 27.
Okay, okay, okay. This is also connected to this,
Yes,
right?
yes, yes, you are right. Please tell me, pendulum bob is started 2 meter displacement 60 degree, correct now? How much height it is gone? How much height it is gone? From this lowest point? See, what is the difference of this height and this height? Think and then tell me.
Difference is here, this small.
Yes, this one. Correct na? It is having some extra potential energy mgh here, and same it will be converted here half mv square. Am I right? Now this it is given 60 degree and this length is given 2 meter. Can you tell me, let us say OABC. OB is equal to how much? Which formula shall I apply? This is 90 degree. Please tell me which formula shall I apply?
So
Trigonometry. Please apply.
Yes, AB is equal to
Cos 60 degree. You have told very rightly. You are very intelligent. I am telling you. Cos you have immediately told cos. Please tell me what is the formula.
Is going to be cos 60 is wait,
OB.
it's not going to be. Well, it's not going to be cos. It's going to be sine.
No, sine is opposite. Suppose this angle is you are taking, this is opposite.
Yes.
Sine for opposite.
So
I want this one.
you want OB. Okay. So cos 60 is OB divided on AO.
AO 2. So OB is equal to 2 cos 60 degree. Is it clear? Is equal to
2 on 1.5. Okay, so it's going to be 1.
cos 60 degree is equal to, sorry, 1 half.
Yes, 1.5. So it's going to be 1.
OB is 1, correct?
Mm-hmm.
OB is
1.
1. Then what is the BC?
BC
Total length is 2
is
because it is the radius, correct na? Same it is.
radius. Okay.
Is it clear?
Okay. Yes.
Because pendulum it is just moving from here to here.
Okay. Yes. So it's going to be 2 minus 1 is going to be 1.
1. So what is the energy here at this point on the A? M.
So the energy is M on G on 10
1.
on 1.
Correct na?
Uh-huh.
Then what is the this one is here? Kinetic energy.
1.5 M and V square. Okay. So V is equal to M is removed. So root square of 20.
Correct?
So it's going to be 2 root 5. 2G.
Approximately it will come 20. 4.43. Just see the answer.
4.23. Okay. 27. 1 second. 27. 27. 4.43. Yeah, it's correct.
Have you
Okay, so this.
understood now?
Yes, I understood. So for this question, I just needed to use this conservation of energy.
Yeah,
already.
because you are just a simple where pendulum I lost, where I kept. Okay, you have understood. I need not to explain you.
Yes, I understood.
Okay. So
Can you see my video right now?
no. It is freezing. Just 1 second it is came again it is freezed.
Oh my god.
You are using laptop or what is this one?
Yes, I'm using laptop.
I am also using laptop. I don't know.
I think something is off with this camera. I don't know because internet is like very good here. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, I will try to see what it is.
Okay. So see, first problem we have did without any much difficulty, correct na? That problem I wanted to do. That problem I have explained very nicely. That where it is gone.
Yeah, it was problem number 4. Maybe I can download it again or
No,
something.
again I have solved na that one. I just okay. Please upload the questions if you want to understand this one. Please upload.
What the same question that we solved?
Yeah.
Okay, 1 second. Where is it?
or shall we discuss something? I have given the
we can discuss something else maybe.
yeah, please, because now I have given the idea for the energy. You can do your own. If you not understood, then you do tomorrow or their next class.
Okay, okay.
Because now idea is given, correct?
Mhm.
So now I was discussing the work energy.
Mhm.
What is the power then? How it is related with energy? What is the power?
It's energy on time or
Yes,
something.
energy on time. Very good. What is the unit of power?
Unit of power, Newton on time. I don't know.
Arey, Newton energy time. Energy you told
Oh,
na.
sorry, not Newton. Joule
Joule.
on time.
Yes. Joule second. Joule per second. Correct na? It is watt.
Mhm. Mhm. Oh, watt. Okay.
What is the energy? Please understand. But basic unit is joule per second. Again, further basic unit, if you go, you can divide force into displacement, divide by time. Anything you can do. What is the power exactly means what here? If I says I am having
Uh,
more power compared to B, what does it means? I can do more
it means
faster.
there's more
No,
capacity
no, no.
of.
Capacity means suppose I am having 1000 joules. I can consume.
Mhm.
I can take for doing this 1000 joules work 1 hour, and one
Mhm.
person is doing 1000 joules energy. Can he matlab this one run and consume thousand
Mhm.
joule in 10 minutes? So who is having more power?
You.
I. How? I am taking more time, na? If energy.
Less time. Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
See, please understand. A person A is having two
Yes, yes, I understand now. So he takes less time, so the
more
power is
power.
more.
Yes, he will do
Mhm.
faster. Correct or
Mhm.
not?
Mhm.
So
Mhm.
you will say na that which machine is faster, you which is having more power. Correct or not? Sometimes you will say
Mhm.
which geyser means more faster heating. It is having more power. Am I right or
Mhm.
not?
Mhm.
Power means
Yes.
capacity of doing work more faster. Correct? Na? Time will be less.
Mhm.
And
Mhm.
power is nothing but joules per second. Correct now?
Mhm.
Now I am this till now what I have discussed. A very good things I am going to discuss. Till now what I have going to discuss in that one F was constant. Correct now?
Mhm. Yes.
Correct. If
Mhm.
if 10 newtons force is applied on this, the continuous 10 newtons force is applying. Correct or not?
Mhm. Mhm.
If suppose
Mhm.
if suppose force is variable, slowly force is reducing, then what happen? How you will define? Force is not constant now.
Mhm.
Then what you will do? Please tell me.
Um, it's uh, it's like some excel.
See, okay, I will give one example. Very good example I will give. Okay, this is a box 50 kg, correct na?
Mhm.
You are pushing this box. I am not pushing. You are pushing. You
Mhm.
started pushing. Initially, you are having
Mhm.
full of energy. You have started full force here. Take
Mhm.
100 newtons. Now
Mhm.
after 1 meter also you will just pushing with the 100 newtons, or slowly you will tired and you will reduce your force 80 newtons slowly.
Reduce. Yes.
Reduce. This is called variable force. Then which force you will take? Suppose box is come from here to here. You will take 100 or 80, or you will take average of this.
Um,
Think.
Average, I guess.
Average, I guess. Average is very simple, but not in physics. Physics is now differentiation, and this one is there. We will use
Mhm.
differentiation and
Ah, okay.
integration. Is it
Mhm. Mhm.
clear?
Yes, yes.
So what we will do, let us assume this is at this point, at any point of time, box is here. How much force you have applied here? F. Correct? At this point you have displaced very small. So what is your work done? Small work done.
Yes.
dw is equal to F dot dx. Means small work done from moving from here to here.
What is W here?
W work, yeah.
Work?
Small work.
Okay.
See, total work from here to here I want to know.
Okay.
dw means what?
Work done.
Work done.
Small work done.
Small work done for what displacement?
For X.
X displacement. Dx displacement. Dx means what?
Dx.
I will explain you once more. You have not understood. This is your axis. Which axis? Coordinate axis. Correct? Suppose this is your position here. Here initially at this position you are x1. Correct? And you have to push this box up to here. Which distance? x2.
Distance.
Correct? Now during this process I want to know force. What is the force is not constant. Correct? Now you cannot apply the constant process, you become tired. So what you have reduced here, apply some 100 Newton, slowly you have reduced to this one. Is it practical, na? Correct or not?
Yes, yes,
So,
yes.
so this called, first of all, this force we called is variable force. Force is not constant. Variable force. Correct? Variable force means force is varying. Correct? In this one work done, we cannot apply simple force into D. Correct? Na? D is what? X2 minus X1. Am I right? F into X2 minus X1 we cannot write. Is it clear? Then what we will do? What is the method then we will do? We will use our integration and differentiation unit. Correct na? Now suppose any point of time your box is here na, I will just here. Correct?
In the middle.
In
Okay.
any point. Correct na? And you have just displaced very little. Dx means you can, you understood this is the dx distance. Correct na? Small displacement dx. Why I am taking dx? Because your force is reducing. So I assume this particular very small means you can take 1000 divided by 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter divided by 1000. So much small displacement. That is called dx. Okay. In that portions I can assume that your force is constant. Am I right or not? Please tell me. Because
Okay. Yes, I understand.
correct now. In that portion.
So you take such small piece of
Yeah.
displacement.
Yeah. And in that portions I will assume that F is constant.
Constant. Okay.
Is it clear?
Yes,
So
yes.
for this particular dx, what work you have did? Simple F time dx.
F.
Is it clear? You have did this much
Yes.
work na? Now,
Okay.
now what we want? We want work done from A to B. So this is the small work done na? dw.
Yes.
Can I write dw? Now getting the integration, we will say 0, start at 0, you have started 0 to w, and here this side what limit you will give? X1 to x2.
X2.
Is it clear?
Okay.
Understood or not? Please tell me.
Yes, I understand now.
Now,
So you
now you ask me what? Yeah.
so this way you can find force. This way you can find the force like throughout this movement,
Yes.
or
Now
what are you
see,
gonna find?
listen. Now you have given very your query is not yet satisfied. Okay. So first things, f is not constant. So we have function f must be displacement. Some relation should be there, na. We should know the
Yes,
relation. See
yes.
how
There
you are
should be
reducing. So
some
I can write.
variable.
See, I will write f is equal to, initially you applied 400 minus x into 200, means your force is reducing with 1 meter you have moved, 200 forces becomes 3 meters you have moved, 100 forces. It is possible, na. Let us say this formula, Newton.
Okay.
What you will do for getting the work done? Let us say x1 is 5 meter here and here is 10 meters. How you will find the work done? Please tell me. You will simply do dw 0 to w is equal to f, 400 minus 200 x. Please tell me, you are not telling, yeah, into dx.
Um, mhm.
No, you are not telling. What happened? You are not understood, or what is the?
No, I'm just writing down
Arey
one
this is the
second.
bad habit you are having. When I'm explaining you, please. Okay, okay, I will stop here.
So 0 to W dW. So you take this 400 minus 200x.
This is what?
Okay.
This is the f value and dx. What is the x and x2? X1 is 5 meter and x2 is,
X2 is 10.
yes, I will take the limit. So dw means w, integration of dw is w. Please tell me what is the integration of 400?
Integration 400 is 400x.
400x minus 200x,
200x squared divided on 2.
limit.
From 5 to 10.
Please tell me what you will do first, upper limit.
Can you just where you did d integration? This is w. Okay, integration where you did from 0 to w.
0 to w, no, because initially you have not run.
Okay, yes. So it's going to be w. Okay.
W means just work done, yeah, nothing.
Okay, so it's going to be 4,000 minus, this is going to be 100 x squared, 100 x squared, 1,000. Oh, wait. So it's going to be 10,000.
Okay.
4,000 minus
Okay.
10,000
And then minus 5 limit you will not put.
minus, yes, minus 5, 20, 2,000,
20,
2,000.
2000. Then minus plus. This minus I will put it, this become plus.
Okay, plus 25 and 125, 100.
You can solve it. Correct na? This is the work done.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
Yes, yes. Just a little bit complex.
Which is the little bit complex? This one.
Like how to, yeah, like how to, I guess, use it.
I
How
have
to
explained
imagine.
you very simple way. Still you are telling
Yeah,
me.
I know, but I'm just saying if I'm gonna need to use it in some question, I don't
But
know how to.
it is to be used only when force is variable. Please understand. When force
Mm-hmm.
is
Variable.
variable. Shall I give one
Mm-hmm.
example for variable force? Then I have to some this one I have to explain you that what you call
Which which one?
is spring. Now next class I will explain you spring.
Okay.
So
Okay.
how was today class? It is now we can end here or anything you want.
Yes, yes, yes. That's fine.
You wanted to ask anything? Just you are having.
I mean, just remember, maybe we can next time do one more question there. Remember the one that we left?
We can do it right now. 5 minutes. That is the very. It is a quickly. If you put it, I will do the quickly. No problem.
The question,
Yeah, because we will use
you said
our
that.
energy. Yeah.
No, 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 not that question. Remember, there's a question where you said that. One second. Mm, one second. A third question where it's about torque, which produces constant angular acceleration.
No, that questions we have did it. Constant angular. Constant angular.
No, that question. No, that question wouldn't do.
What is the number you tell me?
3.
Okay, three we have not done. Yes, you are right.
So, do you want to do it right
No,
now
no.
or
Three
next
I
time?
will do next time.
Okay. Okay, so I will just let me just see because there was one more question that I wanted to ask you from this homework. 1 second. 20, 21, 22. Let me just see if maybe I'll be able to do it. I think it's also about kinetic energy. Okay, so I think this one good. It would be to do. 1 second. Let me just put it. This is about kinetic energy question. It's very simple, but it's I just didn't do it because oh my god, it's very small.
Hmm.
A body of mass one of mass 1 kg is moving vertical circular path of radius 1 meter.
Hmm.
Difference between kinetic energy at its largest and lowest points.
Very simple. See the body of mass 1 kg moving in vertical. It is a vertical circular path. Correct na? Lowest
Mm-hmm.
point is here.
Yes.
Highest point is here.
Mm-hmm.
So what is the difference of the kinetic energy? Difference between the kinetic energy at the highest point to the lowest position.
So at the lowest position, kinetic energy is going to be mv square divided on 2. At the highest point is going to be 0.
Mg not 0. Let us say it is moving but how much height it is gone gain?
2r.
2r mg into 2r. Correct na? It is potential energy plus, let us say, it is having some velocity also. Half mv1 square. Is it clear? This one, na?
Okay, yes. Yes.
It is double I have written half. Is it clear?
Yes.
What they are asking?
Difference between kinetic energy highest and lowest
Which is
point.
the highest point? Highest and lowest, or lowest to highest? The kinetic energy,
Highest to lowest.
the difference between the kinetic energy at its highest and lowest point.
Lowest point.
So highest point it is this one, and
So
lowest point is this.
difference and okay. So difference is going to be mg2r.
Yes, mg2r. M is how much?
Okay.
1. G is 10.
So it's going to be 20.
2. 20. Just see the answer.
A. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's pretty easy. Just I didn't know how to do it.
Now you have to
earlier.
apply. Correct?
Yes. 1 second. 21. 21. A. Yes, A. Okay. Yeah, that's it.
That's it, no?